Bertrand Delanoë, born May 30, 1950, is a retired French politician who served as mayor of Paris from 2001 to 2014. Member of the Socialist Party, PS, served in the National Assembly from 1981 to 1986 and in the Senate from 1995 to 2001. Early life. Bertrand Delanoë was born on May 30, 1950 in Tunisia, then a protectorate of the French colonial empire, to a French mother and a French-Tunisian father. His father, a surveyor, was an atheist, while his mother, a nurse, was Roman Catholic. At the age of 6, Delanoë became a member of the Petits Chanteurs de Sables, a Christian choir associated with the Petits Chanteurs à la Croix de Bois. At the age of 11, Delanoë witnessed the Pizer crisis between France and newly independent Tunisia.